Boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop, a.k.a. The Baby Knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a little ticked off today. For real, for real. Somebody wrote a comment on one of those social media things saying, that MD, I know who they were referring to, MD got it wrong. The uranium bull market is over. What? The squeeze-up is over? Are you out of your mind? And this goes for anyone that's doubting the strength of this uranium bull market. Because I'm going to give you the case right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we didn't even test our 200-day moving averages. As soon as this thing goes down for a second, it pulls back, people are going crazy. This bull market in uranium, every pullback for the next 2-3 years should be bought up. Is that clear? I said that years ago, and I'm saying it again now. Every pullback should be bought up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you some charts. Scoops for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. There's books on Amazon.com. You can go get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. A lot of people like those audiobooks. Listen to those audiobooks. How to invest in uranium now. Now, remember we had that disease a while back that kind of made people off, threw things off. But right now, when these stocks pull back, they're on sale. So it's time to, and I did a video. I buy the pullback. I did everything but, kick you in the, I told you to buy the pullback. But that is exactly what people should be looking toward or angling toward their favorite stock when it's down and it's on sale. That's when everybody should be looking here, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm going to show you here. This is the strongest uranium bull market that I've ever participated in. This is my third, ladies and gentlemen. This is my third. And this, when you look at it, when you look at the fundamentals of this thing and you look at the world going to, nuclear energy, clean energy, net zero, there's all these, we got to get this together. We got goals we got to meet. My country, your country, all other countries in the world. It's amazing that people would say, I have egg on my face. What are you kidding? I got these things at pennies, guys. No one's got, I'm still holding. This is a long-term trade for me. Long-term trade. So I'm still holding, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going anywhere. And I don't want you to go anywhere either. Let's take a look at, I'm going to show you some of these charts here, and you'll see. We didn't even break a sweat. And people were out, freaking out. We didn't even break a sweat, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't even break a sweat. I'll show you here in a second. We're at $90 a pound, ladies and gentlemen, for uranium ask right now. We said this would be healthy, and it is. Around this 90, we were under 80. That's when people were whining. The world is ending, uranium is going down. No, it's not. Take a look at the North Shore Global Uranium Mining, URNM, the ETF. This black line right here is the 48-day moving average. See it right there? See this red line right here? This red line down here, that's the 200-day moving average. And you see this temporary, short-term to midterm buy signal here, line here, the purple line, that's the 13-day that you see right here. We didn't even come close to this with URNM. Let's see if we came close to it with anything else. Look at Global X Uranium here for a minute, the ETF, URA. Not even close to the 200-day moving average here. The prior uranium bull market said We at least came down and tested and then headed back up. This thing is so strong that we're not even testing the 200 days, 48 days, and we're going to be curling back up and headed back north. If you look at our leader, Chemical here, CCJ Chemical, out of Canada, look, right here, right off the 200 day, we bounce off the two, no problem, headed back up. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get back up over our moving average, and we're going to be going up in a way with CCJ, with Chemical. UEC, Uranium Energy, not even close to the 200-day moving average. Look at this thing. We're going at 13. We're trading sideways like we are with a lot of these stocks right now. Like uranium pullback. It's not a uranium. You guys, some of those guys, the squeeze upple is over? The way these stocks are going to come roaring back? Are you kidding? Man, UEC, nice little day, 2.98%, 3% up today. My third round with baby knockout Denison Mines. And I thought for sure, because Denison has in the prior bull, Denison comes down to 150-ish, 160-ish, and then it heads back up. This stock is showing so much strength. Look at it, just sideways. When things are pulling back, huh? Yeah, what a big pullback, Stay where you are, ladies and gentlemen. Don't get shaken out of this trade just because some articles are written about the uranium squeeze upple being over and done with, or please. Baby knockout next gen. I tell you, the more and more you think about it, it kind of infuriates you a little bit, Look, not even close to the 200-day moving average way down here. Guys, we're playing around here with the 48-day. Let's do what we do. If you get any type of pullback here for the next 3 years, take it as a buying opportunity in uranium. Uranium's not going anywhere. They don't have any replacement right now. Small modular reactors are going to be the future. They're going to need uranium. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's do what we have to do. March Madness is going on right now with basketball, but we don't have to get mad here in the uranium market just because we had a little pullback underneath the 48-day for a couple days. Ladies and gentlemen, we're tracking right back up. Encore Energy, we liked it at 12 cents. We liked it at 50 cents. We liked it at $1. We liked it at $2. We liked it at $3. We still like it at $4, and we're going to like it all the way up to double digits this cycle. Mark my word, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at generational baby knockout Deep Yellow Limited, but not even close to the 200-day moving average on a pullback. I mean, people were screaming and yelling, pullback. The spot price is down below 90. Mickey D, you were wrong. You said it was going to stop at 90. Guys, we don't chase these stocks. We replace them. And this particular pullback is just a piece of cake, ladies and gentlemen. It's nothing to it. Nothing to it. Just take a couple days off and you're going to be good. Did we do baby knockout next gen? If we did, let's do it again. Looks so pretty, so pretty. Just trading sideways here on the 48-day moving average, ladies and gentlemen. It's doing good. We like to have a lot of fun here on the scoop. Here, ladies and gentlemen, did you notice in the cannabis sector, as we segue here, a Canopy Growth, I'm talking about an original baby knockout here. Canopy crossing over the 48-day moving average here, closing in on the 200-day. This is Canopy. Canopy's been beat down like forever. Cannabis making somewhat of a comeback. What do they know that we don't know? Make sure you read your baby knockout newsletter so you'll have all those stocks on your watch list, those cannabis stocks that we like for this cannabis run. We may get legislation, we may not get legislation. We've been faked out 10 straight times in a row. Maybe this will be not a fake out. We'll see. Ladies and gentlemen, with gold over 2,100 and silver approaching 25, just under 25 an ounce, we believe that we're in good shape. We're in good shape. Let your baby knockouts, let them ride. Bitcoin, 65,512 after a nice little pullback. The halvening is coming up, as you know. We played this thing perfectly the last halvening, and we're doing the same thing now, ladies and gentlemen. We have the stocks, pullbacks, you want to add or what have you. We know ultimately this thing is going much higher. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank all of you for joining me. Let's not get mad. It is March Madness with the basketball and everything. Let's not get mad. Every time of the year, this time of the year in the Super Bowl, I always give Josh Bronson. Josh Bronson. You know who Josh Bronson? He's very popular. Make money on sports, bet to win. This time of the year, you can get that on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. Some of those guys out there, very, very popular. That's the late Josh Bronson there, writer heaven, but still great stuff in there. People have told me they've won their company's pools and stuff. And a few years ago, I won my company pool by some of the tips that were in that book. Make money on sports, bet to win. Josh Bronson here. Also, I can tell by certain industries are getting better and things are getting better here. In my MJ Biz magazine this month here, see, it's gotten a little thicker. I didn't know if you could tell there. For a while there, in the last few years, it's been a really thin magazine, but it's starting to get thick now. So that means things are getting ready to happen in cannabis as we wait for things to happen. Guys, we're not going to chase any of these stocks. We're going to be patient and we're going to wait this thing out. There's a lot going on right now. Love you. God bless you. Thanks once again for your support. Thank you guys for weighing in. Let me know, guys, if you thought, really, if you thought the uranium squeeze-up was over. Come on. I know if you've listened to me for a long time, you know that there's no way anybody thought that listens to me knows that the uranium squeeze-up is nowhere close to being over. Guys, we have years and years and years of this thing to come. But love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. If I don't hear from you, I might be watching basketball games myself. Maybe I'll use Josh's book and try and go make a. No, I'm not going that far. I'm not going that. I don't know these sports like that, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.